Cantonese roasted duck is known for its juicy and succulent meat and its over-the-top crispy skin. It is a must-eat during any family gathering. How do you make it? Watch this video to find out how you can make it at home professionally. Pat dry with paper towels. If there's extra fat right here, you can also remove it with your hands. It's quite easy. When you choose the duck, if you can, choose a leaner one. That will make the roasted duck crispier. Pluck out its feathers with a pair of tweezers. If you have a cooking torch, you can just use it. Now we're also gonna remove its feet. Gonna add salt, white pepper, 5-spice powder, and sugar. All over the duck. Let it marinate for about 2 hours. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, fermented red bean curd, 5-spice powder, and sugar. Mix well. Scallions, ginger, garlic. The marinade inside the duck. And then just work all the way up. Okay, so here is the fun part. To blow air under the skin of the duck, we're gonna need an air compressor. So first we're gonna put the duck breast side up, blow air into it, and you're gonna see your duck start inflating like a balloon and the skin and the meat are separated. So by doing so, we're ensuring that our duck is gonna have really crispy skin. So a lot of people think that you only blow air into Beijing 烤鸭, but in fact Cantonese places also roast their duck this way because it is so much more delicious. Bring it to a boil. Turn off the heat immediately. Hold on to the hook and then use a ladle to pour the liquid over the duck until the skin becomes firm and turns white. Immediately, we want to rinse it in ice water. Help it tighten it up. Pat dry with paper towels. To make the poaching liquid, we're going to add 8 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Rose cooking wine, red vinegar, and maltose. Mix well and then turn off the heat. Hold on to the hook and then pour the liquid over the duck for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now we can take out the hook. I'm gonna cut out the neck and the head. To air dry the duck, dry it in the fridge for 24 hours to 48 hours. During the baking day, preheat the oven to prevent burning and also for it to turn super dark. Let it rest in room temperature for 20 minutes. Bake it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we're going to lower the heat and continue to bake for another 20 minutes. And I just want to take out all the foil papers. Put it back in the oven